I've got a split. That's Leah and Lightning. Just wanted to get a quick one. That's Jake. Rain is over there running one by herself. That's Rain. Lightning, Leah, and Jake are over here in the cornfield. They're going out. Figure I'd get a little bit of rain by herself. I'm kind of standing in between them. I don't know if you can hear her or not. I don't have a lot of video with rain, so this is good. Not bad for a warm July morning. The truck is right there. By the way, Rain is Blaze's daughter out of her very first litter. The other three are still out there running in that cornfield. She's checking. I'm gonna pause. I really should be over there with the other three, since it's a young dog over there. Lightning being only 2 and Leah being 3. The 3 are actually running and coming closer this direction. Pause. She's saying that rabbit didn't come up here close. I didn't see him cross. Not to say that he didn't. Alright. I'm going to let her keep working this. I'm going back over to the other 3. That's lightning and rain. There's Leah. Yeah, they got back together. Now they're checking. Alright. I'm going to stop recording. Just wanted to get this quick video for a warm July morning. Not too bad. Thanks for watching.